Chapter 5. Chapter 5 Higher Order Functions. Chapter 5 Higher Order Functions. A large program, by the way, is a costly program, and not just because of the time it takes to build. Size almost always involves complexity, and complexity confuses programmers, and confused programmers in turn introduce mistakes, bugs into programs. And a large program then provides a lot of space for these bugs to hide, making them hard to find. And let's briefly go back to the final two example programs in the introduction. The first itself contained and 6 lines long, like this example. Let total equal 0, count equal 1, semicolon, while open parenthesis count less than or equal 10, less than or equal 10, then total plus equal count, semicolon, then count plus equal 1, semicolon, constant log, open parenthesis will be total, semicolon. Okay, so the second relies on two external functions and is 1 line long, constant log, open parenthesis sum, then range 1 and 10. And which one is more likely to contain a bug? And if we count the size of the definitions of sum and range, and the second program is also big, even bigger than the first, and but still, I would argue that it's more likely to be correct. It's more likely, by the way, to be correct because the solution is expressed in a vocabulary that corresponds to the problem being solved, and summing a range of numbers isn't about loops and counters, and is about ranges and sums. And the definitions of this vocabulary, by the way, the functions sum and range will still involve loops, counters, and other indicational details. But because they are expressing simpler concepts than the program as a whole, and they are easier to get right, yeah.